Hey guys, the Prince of Tutorials is back with another video today, and I would like to show you a magic trick. This magic trick is actually dealing with math, but if you hate math, don't worry. This is a really cool magic trick that I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to perform the magic trick, and then after I'll do a tutorial on how to actually do this. I'll give away what are the tips and tricks that are needed to actually perform this magic trick that I'm about to show you. So let me perform it. Basically, we have a deck of cards, as you can see here. Every card is different. It's a pretty cool deck, blue colored deck. And right now I'm gonna shuffle the deck, okay? After I shuffle the deck, I'm gonna pick 9 random cards. So let us pick 9 random cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm pretty sure that's 9. Let me count though to make sure. And we don't need the rest of our deck. So we have 9 random cards here. Okay. And I'm gonna make 3 piles of 3. Okay, of these cards. Now you're gonna ask the person who you're doing the magic trick with which pile to choose. So let's say the person chooses this pile. And you show them the card. This is the card. And for the purpose of this video, it's okay if you know the card. I'll show you the magic trick. So the card is the Queen of Hearts, okay? This is the card right here. We're gonna put the card here, okay? And we're gonna write it out. So we had the Queen of Hearts. So our spectator selected the Queen of Hearts. And now let us spell it out. QUENOFHEARTS. And you know, I'm a very lucky person, so let us spell out luck. 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 The Queen of Hearts. Guys, so this is basically the card trick performed, and now I will be showing you the tutorial of how to actually do this. It's a beginner's magic trick, very easy, and let us get started. Hey guys, the Prince of Tutorials is here, and now I will be actually showing you how to do this magic trick. In order to do the magic trick, what you will need is a deck of cards, just a regular standard deck of cards, and you'll need something to write with. I usually like using a marker and post-it notes just to have a more dramatic effect on the magic trick, but you can use whatever you like. Now, let us begin. So basically, in order to do this trick, you just shuffle the deck of cards exactly like I did. So just shuffle it, and then tell your spectator to pick 9 random cards. And don't worry, this trick will work all the time with any cards, unless it's a joker. So just make sure they don't choose joker, but they can choose any 9 cards they'd like. So I'd recommend, even before starting this magic trick, just remove the jokers from the deck. So tell them, okay, spectator, select 9 cards. So they'll select 9 cards. So let's just say they select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the 9 random cards are selected, right? And then what you do as the magician is you make 3 piles of 3. And you tell the spectator, hey, look, select 1 pile. And in order for the purposes of this magic trick, the spectator can actually choose any of these piles and the trick will still work. So let's say, for instance, our spectator chooses this pile. Now, this is where you want to pay attention when you're performing this magic trick. Whatever pile your spectator chooses, so let's say our spectator chooses this pile, what we want to do is put this pile on the top when we're stacking these. So I stack these 2, and then the pile they choose, I want to make sure it's on the top, okay? And I forgot to add, so basically when they choose the pile, you basically take the pile and show them that this is their card. So it'll be the 3rd card in that pile. So it'll be, you see 1, 2, 3. The 3rd card will be their card. So what is the card? We have 6 of hearts. So it's 6 of hearts, and basically you will write it down. 6 of hearts. Of hearts. So basically, the spectator's card was the 6 of hearts, as we know. And now what we want to do as the magician is we want to do basically actually spell out the 6 of hearts. And how we're going to do this is very important. So basically, you spell it out like this. You place the card on the table you're performing the trick. So it's S, I, X, okay? That's one part of the word. So when the first word is done, so when 6 is done, how I counted, you put these cards that you've counted on the bottom of the pile. And then you count OF, OF, and then put it on the bottom of the pile. And then you count hearts, HEARTS. Then put this on the bottom of the pile. Now, after you do this for any single circumstance, this will work. So after you actually spell this out, then the card is going to be in the 5th position, okay? So I use the word lucky. You can use the word magic because magic's 5 words. Or you can use luck and then reveal the card. But just know that your card is going to be in the 5th position. So what's cool is if you're doing this with a friend and you have a friend that's name is 5 letters, for instance, Hamza, who's my sensei actually, you can do this trick on because his name is 5 words, HAMZA. So let us actually use magic though, since I'm a magician, right? MAGI and then C, the 6 of hearts. So basically this trick will work every time. It's really nice at parties, with friends, anywhere. You really shock your friends. It's a really nice thing to do. And with that, the Prince of Tutorials will check out. Peace out, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And share this with your friends and family. And in addition, in my next video, I'll actually be doing a tutorial on how to do a card reveal like this. That one was pretty bad, but I'll do it again, for instance. So if you want to reveal a card, it's like this. It's really nice, and I'll be showing the tutorial on how to actually do that. Well, with that, guys, peace out. Have fun.